Welcome to this video on the Paraguayan Guaraní, exploring the history of Paraguay's national currency. In 1943, the government passed a new law creating the Guaraní. This currency replaced the peso fuerte at a rate of 1 Guaraní for every 100 pesos fuertes. The mint produced the first coins in 1944. These round, aluminum-bronze coins represented fractions of 1 Guaraní, known as céntimos. The first series, known as the Botanical Era, featured native Paraguayan flora. Denominations ranged from 1 to 50 centimos, each showcasing a different flower or tree. Due to inflation, the céntimos lost value and legal tender status by 1966. The Guaraní then became the smallest unit of money. Modern coins, issued from 1975 to the present, feature national heroes and landmarks. The mint also shifted to metals like stainless steel and brass-plated steel. In 1943, needing paper money quickly, the bank reused old peso fuerte banknotes. Printers overstamped these notes with the new Guaraní values. The modern banknote spectrum, from 1963 to the present, assigns specific colors to different values. These notes feature prominent historical figures and national scenes. The polymer innovation began in 2009 with the launch of the 2000 Guaraní's note. Polymer plastic, which replaced traditional cotton fiber, makes these notes highly durable. To combat counterfeiting, modern security features were introduced in 2013. For example, the 5,000 Guaraní's note includes a see-through locomotive window and a portrait watermark. In 2005, the 50,000 Guaraní's notes of Series C were intercepted by criminals before their official launch. Consequently, the central bank declared the entire series worthless. The Guaraní holds a low global value. One United States dollar is equivalent to approximately 6,500 Guaraníes. In 2011, the government planned a revaluation to introduce the Nuevo Guaraní with a 1,000-to-1 conversion. However, the project was suspended to avoid public confusion. Inflation has driven the evolution of the Guaraní. The physical materials have changed, from bronze to steel and paper to polymer, to protect the shrinking value. Every coin and note of the Paraguayan Guaraní records a piece of history. The currency endures as a vital symbol of Paraguay.